Everything that I've seen today, I mean AI, Google itself, I guess must impact the creative fields, art, film, even writing. Am I going to be replaced by an AI? Everything that I've seen today, I mean AI, Google itself, impact the creative fields, art, film, even writing. Am I going to be replaced by an AI?
Look, I think the exciting thing is you will have, you can think of it as having AI assistants pretty much to help you with most things. Maybe you can use chess as an example. India is an emerging, there are so many grandmasters coming from India. You now have supercomputers, basically chess programs, AI programs, which can play chess better than humans. But there are more people playing chess now than ever before, and they're using the AI programs to become better at chess. So I think that's a good analogy to think about how it can impact all fields. You saw the inspiring example where AI is helping you detect things like breast cancer better. So I think in every area you're going to have an AI companion to do things better. That'll be true for creative fields as well. I think there's an excitement in the field around what we call as generative models, and you will be able to, if you're thinking about writing, you will have an AI assistant to help you write.